Yeah, well, we want to finish top of the group and re-qualify for League A. I think we've been honest about that. I think last camp we had one of our best camps off the field in our first game, and then we ended it in a performance that I didn't think reflected who this team is. So I've had one-on-ones with every player through this gap, this sort of break, just to sit with them on the phone and just talk about, like, this is the difference between like those top teams, is when they have an off day, they don't drop that far. And we reverted to a type of football that I don't think we've ever played. And that was a frustration for me, but equally the players were so frustrated with themselves. So there is a part of me that says we are completely tied with Czechia, everything. I mean, they're 2 goals ahead of us, so they're ahead on goal differential, we're aware. But other than that, a lot of our goals, we're undefeated coming through. We're scoring, we've conceded less goals. There's a lot of things that we can look at and say, like, we're ticking the box, knowing that we've got 2 very important games right around the corner where we've got to make sure that we deliver 2 back-to-back performances that we can be proud of. And that is what I've always talked about now. So that performance is important to me.